Hey guys, it's Bam. What's up? So, I haven't had supper yet. I haven't really had anything today because I just haven't. And my stepmom and dad just got home and they had leftovers from the place they went to. So I'm gonna eat it. These are onion rings with some honey mustard. Me and my brother were chomping on this a little bit, like a couple minutes ago. So, how's your day going? We have some Coke here. Sorry I look so bad today. I haven't had a shower. I need to have a shower. I'm gonna put this on mute. Me and my sister's arguing about some stupid stuff. I'm glad everybody had a good Christmas. After me and my brother chomped on this for a couple minutes, I'm actually pretty full. Like, I had like 5 onion rings before I came in here and started this video. One thing that I need to show y'all. I know you don't like me being on my phone, so 1 second. I have to find it. If you like gaming videos, go subscribe to my best friend, Austin. That is Austin's channel. Please do, because he's mad that I have a lot more subscribers than he does. But I told him, he just gotta make videos. I mean, you're not gonna get people to watch you if you don't make videos, right? Like back when I first started, and I made like not that many videos, I only had like 16 subscribers. And as you progress on, you get more. Even though I wish I had more, I keep making videos. That's how it works. So, this pasta, I look so fat today. And every day, but anyway. Ugh. So, this pasta is supposed to be spicy, but it has like big pieces of chicken. I don't know what it's supposed to be. I just said, here's leftovers, and I said, okay. It's a little spicy, but not like, oh my god, I can't eat it spicy. You know what I mean? I've been really thirsty today. Here's the onion rings. They're a little cold, but they're still pretty good. A little floppy. Here, I'll give you a good look at the pasta. It has like, I don't know what that is. It's green. Here, let you inspect it. Hang on. Okay. It's just like a green pepper or what? Kind of looks like a pickle. I think it's a green pepper. It's spicy. I'm the person who does not like spicy stuff. But this pasta is really good for being a little spicy. But green peppers aren't supposed to be spicy. In my opening Christmas presents video, you could barely hear me, and I'm sorry. I guess I don't talk as loud as I think I do. But I hope you can hear me good in this video, because you're a little bit closer than you were in that video. Like in that video, you were like right over here, but now you're like right here. That's just how the camera angle is for the rest of my videos. I can't get the onion. The onion would not come out. I kind of just like the pasta pieces. The meat and the veggies is really spicy. Like, spicy. I don't know if this is 2 or 1. They're like twins. Sima, I don't know how to say it. So basically just tearing it apart. So how do I eat you now? Whew, I went full. Here. Excuse me. My hands are all greasy from onion. This sauce on here, it's really good. So I was at Austin's house today and yesterday, and we were gonna make a mukbang, but my dad picked me up really early because he was going on a date with my stepmom. I just dropped the onion ring, so I'm trying to find it. I don't know where it went. But anyway, there it is. But anyway, yeah, picked me up at like 2 o'clock. So we didn't get to film one. So, maybe next time. And the night I went there, we were playing and having fun, so we didn't want to film one that night, so we were going to do it the next day. We didn't get to. This is my last onion ring. Trying to get into 2 pieces. So next mukbang out. Sorry. Next mukbang, I want to do a Q&A. So please comment down below some questions, and I will answer them. Just comment down below any question you want, and I will answer them fully. I don't have much pasta left. Most of it was meat. Like if you look down here, hang on. Like there's that, and there's that, and there's all of this. Like this meat is huge. It's so spicy. My hands are so greasy. I don't like greasy hands. I don't want this meat. I'm so full. I have nothing to wipe my hands on. Whew. Oh, I forgot to put my gum right there. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please like and subscribe the video. And please don't forget to comment down below a question for me, and I will answer it in tomorrow's video. I love you guys. Have a good rest of your day or night, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.